Good morning, students. So, what are we going to do today? Today, we are going to do a deleted topic, which is technically not that important because, of course, this year it is not going to come in your examination. But still, I am going to teach you because this method you can use in your exam to make sure that you get, of course, guys, answers which are much more faster and quicker. Choice completely lies with you. But this is a method which is 100% officially certified by the CBSE as well as the state board students. So you can choose whichever method you want to solve the questions with. Now, so let us start with the question number 1, that is age in years, and you need to of course find the mean. So I forgot to write the heading of the question. You need to find the mean. Of course, over here also you need to find the mean. Mean means average, that means X bar. So you need to calculate X bar. But the point is that I need to find out mean with the help of step deviation method. Now, what actually do you mean by the word step deviation method? It's very, very simple. Let's try and understand this. Age in years, and I have written over here, somewhere over here. So if you can see this, I'll get a slide. It is mean X bar should be equals to A, which is the assumed mean, H, the class size, sigma FIUI, which I am going to tell you now, and of course sigma Fi. So let us now try and understand that how can you solve these questions which look a bit difficult, very quickly. So let's start it. Age in years, the part is given to you as 18 to 24, 24 to 30, 30 to 36, 36 to 42, 42 to 48 and 48 to 54. So it's a regular series. So it is an exclusive series. Why it is an exclusive series? It is an exclusive series because all the intervals are absolutely same. There is no change. There is uniformity in the intervals. There is no discontinuity in the interval. That is the reason why it is known as exclusive series. On the other hand, यदि आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में देखोगे, 25 to 29 बीच में गायब है, 30 to 34 फिर बीच में गायब है, 35 to 39. Such kind of series is known or are known as inclusive series. So हमें इस तरह के series को exclusive series में convert करना होता है, and then we are supposed to be doing these questions. Now, first, age in years. So I'm going to use this side of the board. So let's write age in years. तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा say age. Age in years, it is going to be 18 to 24, 18 to 24, then comes 24 to 30, then comes 30 to 36, then comes 36 to 42, then comes 42 to 48, then comes 48 to 54. Got it? And now I have to write the frequency, which is the number of workers. So let's write number of workers. And let's write the number of workers as 6, 8, 12. So that is your Fi, which is 6, 8, 12, 8. So I'm writing 6. Then I'm writing 8, 12, 8, 4 and 2. So it's 4 and it's 2. So let's calculate, guys, sigma Fi. What is sigma Fi now? 8 plus 6 comes out as 14. 14 plus 12 would be 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. 30 plus 8, 38. And plus 2 comes out as 40. Let's once again check it to be doubly sure. Say 12 and 8, 20, 20, and 8 and 2 is 10, that is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. So we are right. Now let's move on to the next part, which is, ये तो आपका class size है, तो अभी मुझे class mark निकालना है. So class mark, which is known as xi, and let's calculate this. So यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ भी एक ले लिया अपने मन से, ऐसे लेते हैं class mark. नहीं guys, very simple. It is this plus this upon 2. The lower limit plus the upper limit upon 2. So 24 and 20 comes out as 44. That is 42 by 2 is 21. right? Then comes 24 to 30, so it is 54 by 2 is 27. Then 30 to 36 is 66, which is 33. 36 and 42, right? अब यदि आप चाहो तो डिफरेंस भी देखो, तो हर एक में 6 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 plus 6 is 33. 33 plus 6 comes out as 39. 39 plus 6 comes out as 45. And 45 plus 6 comes out as 51. Let's check to be doubly sure. 48 plus 54, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, carry 1, 5 and 5 is 10. 102 का half करूँगा 51, which is right. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 5 and 4 is 9. 90 का half करूँगा 45. Then comes 42 and 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 and 3 is 7, 78. 78 का half करूँगा it's 39 and so on and so forth, right? Now, once I have done with class mark, normally हम यहाँ पर यदि direct method होता था तो हम यहाँ पर FI UI करते थे, right? या FI XI करते थे, sorry. यदि assume mean method होता था तो यहाँ पर हम DI करते थे, which is XI minus A. But इस बार हमें step deviation method करना है, so we will be using it, that is D और UI लिख देता हूँ, UI और उसका फॉर्मूला होता है XI minus A upon H. What is H? H is nothing else but is the class size. Guys, फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, it's not at all compulsory to do it by this method, but this method of course is much more shortcut or much more faster. Now, किसी भी एक को जैसे अपन assume mean में लेते थे, क्लास मार्क के अंदर से किसी भी एक को आप हाईलाइट कर दो, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'll take the third value. So this value is my assumed mean, right? And then guys, then comes H. What is H? This minus this. जो भी इसकी corresponding interval होगा, 36 minus 30 is 6. So यहाँ पर XI क्या है? 21. 21 minus 33. 21 minus 33 करूँगा तो 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, which will be minus 12. Minus 12 upon 6. Minus 12 upon 6 because H is 6. So I'm writing somewhere over here. H should be equals to 6. A should be equals to 33. Right? So that is minus 12 upon 6 should be equals to what? That is minus 2. So let's write minus 2 over here. Then comes 27 minus 33 is minus 6. Minus 6 upon 6 is minus 1. 33 minus 33 is 0. 39 minus 33 is 6. 6 upon 6 is 1. 45 minus 33 is 12. 12 upon 6 is 2. 51 minus 33 is, so guys, again 24, that is, 18, and that is 3. और guys, वैसे भी आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, they are going in the same serial order. Now the last part, which is FI UI. Now how will you calculate FI UI? The same trick you are going to use. FI is 6. 6 into -2 comes out as -12. 8 into -1 comes out as -8. 12 into 0 will come out as 0. 8 into 1 will come out as 8. Then comes 4 into 2 will come out as 8. Okay, then comes 2 into 3 will be 6. So these are all the values of FI and UI. Now what do I have to do? Simple, sigma FI UI. So sigma FI UI, 12 and 8 is -20. So 8 and 8 is 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 minus 20 is +2. क्योंकि 16 plus 6 22 पॉजिटिव है और ये वाला पार्ट नेगेटिव है, so it will be +2. अब now guys, this is the formula, mean x bar is equals to, so let's apply the formula. So I'm using this formula over here, that is x bar, it should be equals to, and the formula is A. What was A? 33 plus H. What is H? The class size, 36 minus 30 is 6. In bracket, sigma FI UI. Sigma FI UI is 2 upon sigma FI. Sigma FI is 40. So 2 times 1, 2 times 20. Correct? Then you're going to do the cross multiplication. So 2 3s is 6, 2 3s are 6, that is, and of course guys इसे तो कट भी कर सकते हैं आप, 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are, तो ये तो ऐसे ही आ गया गाइस, कुछ भी नहीं करना. 33 plus 1 upon 10 is 0.1, 0.1 into 3 is 0.3. So answer is 33.3, and that's all guys is the answer. Now what exactly is the difference between assumed mean and the step deviation method? If you are going to see guys the word assumed mean में आपने केवल h से या class size से divide नहीं किया था. On the other hand, if you are talking about step deviation, you are simply dividing this part by h, and that's all guys. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So age in years and number of persons, so number of workers की जगह we will put this as number of persons, so that I don't need to have to make the table again. So we'll make number of persons, and which is your fi. So let's change these intervals also. So what is the interval? That is 25 to 29. So it's 25 to 29. Then comes it's 30 to 34. Then comes it's 35 to 39. But guys, before doing this, I told you that this is an inclusive series, and we need to convert it into an exclusive series. So rather than writing this table, let's change this table. How will I change the table? 25 से माइनस कर दो 0.5 और 29 में ऐड कर दो 0.5. So lower limit and upper limit दोनों में 0.5 ऐड कर दो हर इंटरवल के अंदर. So the interval is now going to be made as 25 का हो जाएगा 24.5 to 29.5, right? Then comes 29.5 to 34.5. Then comes 34.5 to 39.5. Then comes 39.5 to 44.5. Then 44.5 to 49.5. And then 49.5 to 54.5. Right? And then 54.5 to 59.5. So these are the values which have been now changed for the sake of making this particular table convert into the exclusive series. Now this is pretty much solvable. So let's change the number of persons. So what is the number of people over here? So number of people, if you are going to see, is 4, 14, 22. So let's write. It is 4, then comes 14, then comes 22, then comes 16, then comes it's 6, then it's 5, and then it's 3. So let's check 4, 14, 22, 4, 14, 22, 16, 6, 5, 3, 16, 6, 5, 3. Let's do the sigma fi. So sigma fi कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पर? 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 22 is 40, 40 plus 16 is 56, 56 plus 6 is 62, 62 plus 8 comes out as 70. Let's once again check it just to be doubly sure. 4 and 4, 8, and 2, 10, and 6, 16, and 6, 22, and 5, 27, and 3, 30. 0, 3, and 1, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7. So which is right? Okay. Now let's talk about the class marks. So let's move on to the class marks. क्लास मार्क्स, सो व्हाट इज क्लास मार्क्स नाउ? इसका यदि मैंने हाफ किया तो 29.5, that is this plus this upon 2. So if I am going to add this, so 24 plus 29, पहले तो 0.5 and 0.5 is either way going to be 1. So यदि मैं इनको add भी करूँगा, 5 and 5 10, 0, carry 1, 5 and 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 4, carry 1, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5, 54.0. 54 का आधा करूँगा तो कितना आएगा? 27. So it is going to be 27. Let's write it over here, 27. Then 29.5 and 34.5. So let's add it once again. 5 and 5, 10, 0, carry 1. 10 and 4 is 14, 14, 4, carry 1. 2 and 3 is 5 and 1, 6. 64.0 का half करोगे, so it's going to be what? That is 32. True? So this is now 32 over here. Now if you can see 27 और हर एक में इंटरवल में डिफरेंस कितने का आ रहा है? 5 5 का. So what do you think 32 plus 5 is? 37. 37 plus 5 is, that is 42. 42 plus 5 comes out as 47. 47 plus 5 comes out as 52. 52 plus 5 comes out as 57. But how do we be doubly sure whether we have done as right or wrong? कोई भी एक random ले लो. 5 plus 5 10, 0, carry 1, 9 and 1 10 and 4 14, carry 1, that is 5 and 4 is 9. So ideally it should be what? That is 94. यही आ रहा था आपके पास में. 5 and 5 10, carry 1, 10 and 4 14, yes. So it was 94. 94 का यदि आप half करोगे तो it will be 47. So which is right. So random check किया, सारे के सारे सही हैं. Now ui should be equals to xi minus a upon h. So what is a over here? xi में से कोई भी a ले लो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. बीच वाली वैल्यू 1 2 3 4. So I'm taking this as a. So a should be equals to 42. And what do you think guys now the h is? So a जिसमें से भी आपने 42 लिया उसी का corresponding value. So this minus this is 5 क्योंकि interval का class size is 5. ये भी आ गया. Now let's put down the values. So simple, xi minus a upon h. So what is xi? It's 27. 27 minus 42. 27 minus 42 is minus 15. Minus 15 upon 5 will be minus 3. So let's write minus 3. Then 32 minus 42 is minus 10. Minus 10 upon 5 is minus 2. और उसके बाद में आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो, it should be 1, then it should be 0, then it should be 1, then it should be 2, and then it should be 3. But again, to be doubly sure, let's do it. 47 minus 42 is 5. 5 upon 5 should be equals to 1. 57 minus 42 is 15. 15 upon 5 should be equals to 3. That's all. Now what to do? Very simple. Fi into ui. So Fi is 4. 4 into minus 3 comes out as minus 12. 14 into minus 2 comes out as minus 28. Then comes 22 into 1 would be equals to 22. Then 16 into 0 would be 0. Then comes 6 into 1 would be 6. Then comes 5 into 2 would come out as 10. Then comes 3 into 3 would come out as 9. So that is your sigma FIUI. So I am just writing on this side. So sigma FIUI should be equals to, let's add this up. So there is no place below. So that's the reason why I am doing it. Minus 28 and guys, one calculation mistake, minus 3, minus 2, यहाँ पर minus 1 था, so it will be minus 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. So now, minus 28 and minus 12 is minus 40, minus 40, minus 22, minus 40 and minus 22 is minus 62, so minus 62, and then 10 and 6, 16 plus 9 is 25. So 12 minus 5 will come out as 7 and 5 minus 2 is 3, which is minus 37. So let's write this as minus 37. So it will be minus 37. So this is my sigma fi into ui. Now once you have got sigma fi into ui, very simple, apply that formula which goes for a plus h. So let's use that. So it is a, what was a? 42. Okay, then comes plus h. What is h? Class size was 5. Then comes into sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui कितना आ रहा है? Minus 37 upon sigma fi, which comes out as 70. 5 times 1, 5, 1 times 5, then 220, 5, 14. So let's do this. So 42 plus, or this will be 42 minus 37 upon 14. Correct? Now if you want to do this, then you can do it cross multiplication also. So let's see this. So it will be 42 into 14. 4 2 times is 8, 4 4 is 16, then comes 1 2 times, 1 4 times, so it's 8 8 5. So it is going to be 588 minus 37 upon 14. 8 minus 7 is 1, 8 minus 3 is 5, and this is going to be 5 upon 14. Or the final answer comes out as 14 with the 14, 14 with the 28, 14 3 times is 42. 42, right? तो 42 यहाँ पर आपके पास में बचेगा 13, so it's 131, so approximately 9, so 39 point something would be your answer. I'm not doing the decimal ahead of it, so you can find it out. So answer would be 39 point something for this particular calculation. Now shortcut method, the name itself says shortcut, तो आपको अभी इस टाइम पर काफी आपको टफ लगेगा, सर इतने सारे कॉलम्स कौन बनाएगा ये, बट नॉर्मली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑफ कोर्स दोज स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी स्पीड बहुत ज्यादा होती है. कैलकुलेशन इज नॉर्मली डन इन 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes max. That should be the speed. Okay. Now moving on from this question to the question of median. Let's understand this. So let's first of all create some space in the board. Okay, now what do you understand by the word median? वेरी सिंपल गाइस, यदि आपको मीडियन जानना है तो उसके लिए आपको अपने फिंगर्स को स्प्रेड करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स आर ओवर देयर इन वन हैंड ऑफ योर्स नॉर्मली? सो नॉर्मली इट वुड बी अराउंड 5. ऑफ कोर्स आप बोलोगे लेकिन सर कई लोगों के तो 6 भी होते हैं, सो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस. चलो उनकी भी बात कर लेंगे. सो इफ देयर आर 5 फिंगर्स, हैव आई डिलीटेड दिस? ओह नो. Yes, no, I haven't deleted it. Okay, so if you are talking about 5 fingers, so which is the middle finger? Median means the middle term. So which one is the middle term? Very simple. What you are going to do is 5 is an odd number, so median निकालना है तो क्लास 9 का तरीका यूज करोगे. Odd numbers में आप क्या करते हो? That is 5 terms, so 5 plus 1 upon 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 whole upon 2 is third term. So if there is an odd number, so first, second and third finger would be your middle finger. Sir, but आपने left से start किया तो या right से किया? Guys, either way 1, 2 and 3. So for odd numbers it's very very simple. Median should be equals to number of terms plus 1 whole upon 2th term. Number of terms was 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 upon 2 is 3, that means third term is your middle number. But problem is with the even numbers. Even numbers में suppose कर लो मैंने दोनों हाथों की fingers लिए, so there are 10 fingers. Now which one is the half one? First, second, third, fourth, 5, or first, second, third, fourth, 5? So which one should I consider? इससे बचने के लिए we have devised a new formula, of course, which I am going to tell you right now. And also simple formula is जब भी even number of terms होते हैं उसका half कर दो. So 10 का half is 5th term. अब 5th term के बाद में एक और term ले लो. So what is एक और term? That is 6th term. तो 5th term plus 6th term upon 2. So that means that it is going to be what? That is 10. तो 10 का यदि आपने करा होगा तो जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन है आपके पास में, सो 10 upon 2 is 5th term plus 6th term upon 2. That's all. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 upon 2 is 5.5. So that means median exactly lies in between those fingers. Okay. अब बोलोगे भाई बीच में फिंगर ही नहीं है. Normally डेटा में ऐसा नहीं होता. डेटा में कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू रहती है. Okay. So let's start with question number 3. Now median का formula for the table or the frequency tables is median m is equals to L का मतलब lower interval plus and lower interval of the median class plus H class size of the median class into n by 2 मतलब total number of terms upon 2 minus CF which is known as cumulative frequency CF of the preceding class upon F, it is frequency. But frequency of course of the median class. सर बट आपने जो भी बोला बहुत अच्छा बोला, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. I know. So let's directly start doing the question itself. Find the median. So let's write the table. So I am writing the wages. And wages are from 800 to 820. Right, then I'm going to write 820 to 840. Then I'm going to write 840 to 860, then from 860 to 880, then from 880 to 900. पहले इनके frequency लिख देता हूँ, then I'm gonna rub this board up. So it's 7, 14, 19. So it is frequency is number of workers. Is 7, 14, 19, 25, 20 and then अभी आगे भी जाना है. So पहले इसको रब कर देते हैं. (14, 19 and 25 तक रब कर सकता हूँ from 880 to 900 तक. So 25 and 20 is all the way fine, no issues. Now pose them this. So उतनी जगह नहीं चाहिए होगी. So it will be 900 to 920 which comes out as 10 and then from 920 to 940 it comes out as 5. So this is of course your FI guys and this is your wages. Now सबसे पहला वाला part क्या करोगे यहाँ पर? सबसे पहले आपको CF निकालना पड़ेगा. So let's put CF. CF का मतलब होता है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, नाउ मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा डिसअरेंज्ड होगा. सो यहाँ पर फ्रीक्वेंसी जो भी पहली टर्म होगी उसको एज यूजुअल यहाँ पर लिखोगे, फिर इसको इसमें ऐड कर देना. दैट इज दिस 7 plus 14. 7 plus 14 is 21. फिर देन 21 plus 19 नेक्स्ट टर्म के साथ में ऐड करते जाना. 21 plus 19 comes out as 40. So ये है आपका 7 का टर्म, ये है 14 का टर्म, ये है इसका. Then 40 plus 25 is 65. Then 65 plus 20 is 85. 85 plus 10 is 95 and 95 plus 5 is 100. Hey, last वाले part पे it came out straight. Anyway, so cumulative frequency में कुछ नहीं करना होता. पहली वैल्यू को as it is, फिर this plus this should be equal to this, then this plus this should be equal to this, then this plus this should be equal to this, then this plus this should be equal to this, then this plus this should be equal to this, and the last this. Okay, now common sense guys, जितने भी आपके पास में सिग्मा fi होंगे that should be always equal to this. ये पहला चेक होता है कि आपने कहीं कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं करी है. So let's add 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 9 20, 25 and 5 30, 0 3, 3 and 1 4, 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 10. So sigma fi equals to 100. No problem. Now let's try to find out the median का formula. But before than that, सबसे पहले हमें total यहाँ पर 100 है, तो पहले हम n by 2 निकालते हैं. So n by 2 should be equals to 100 by 2, which should be equals to 50th term. Now इस टेबल को आप रीड कैसे करते हो? 7th टर्म, ओके, सो उसका जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द क्लास, राइट? देन 21st टर्म तक, फ्रॉम 7th टर्म टू 21st टर्म तक, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द क्लास. 21st टर्म से 40th टर्म तक, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द करस्पॉन्डिंग क्लास. 40th टर्म से 65 टर्म के बीच में कोई भी वैल्यू पड़ेगी, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द क्लास, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. नाउ हमारी टर्म आ रही है 50th टर्म. 7 तक टर्म में तो 50 टर्म्स नहीं आएगा, 7 से 21st टर्म में भी 50th टर्म नहीं आएगा, 21 से 40th टर्म के बीच में भी 50th टर्म नहीं आएगा, बट 40th से 65 के बीच में 50th टर्म आएगा. सो दैट मीन्स दैट करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस वैल्यू 65 देयर शुड बी व्हाट? माय मीडियन क्लास. सो उसको हाईलाइट कर देना, इसको भी हाईलाइट कर देना, राइट? नाउ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी को मत करना हाईलाइट, वरना कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. सो नाउ लेट्स सी दिस. नाउ लेट्स राइट द फॉर्मूला. सो व्हिच सेज मीडियन should be equals to m, which is equals to L plus bracket h into bracket n by 2 minus CF and whole upon F. Got it? So नीचे वाले पार्ट को अब रब कर देते हैं because we have written down the table correctly. Now median should be equals to m. Now what is L? L is the lower limit of your median class. What is the lower limit? So I am writing L should be equals to 860. Right? What is H? H is this minus this. So H should be equals to 880 minus 860 is 20. No problem. N by 2 हमारे पास में पहले से ही था, which was 50. CF, cumulative frequency preceding this class. इस क्लास के प्रीसीडिंग ये था वैल्यू, इस क्लास के ऊपर वाला नंबर लेना है हमें, ये वाला नंबर नहीं लेना है. प्रीसीडिंग का मतलब पहले. सो जो भी क्लास की आपकी क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी पढ़ रही थी उसके ऊपर वाला नंबर, दैट इज 40. सो CF शुड बी इक्वल्स टू 40 एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास. व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास? दैट वाज 25. So let's put down all of these values into this formula. So I'll get m should be equals to L. L is 860 plus bracket h. What is h? It is 20 into bracket n by 2, which is 50, minus CF, which is 40, whole upon f. What is f? It is 25. Right? So 50 minus 40 upon whole upon 25 and into 20, right? अब guys please पहले ही काम इसको इससे मत कैंसिल कर देना. So let's do this. So m should be equals to 860 plus बॉड मास के हिसाब से पहले ब्रैकेट करेंगे. So it is going to be bracket 20 into 50 minus 40 is 10 upon 25. 5 times 2, 5 times 5, 5 times 1, 5 times 4. So it would be m should be equals to 860 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So m should be equals to what? 868. That's all. Let's check it once again. 50 minus 40 is 10, right? 25, 5 4 times 20, 5 times is 25. Correct? So this was 10 upon 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 into 2 was 8. So 868 is what? Your median. So your median for this entire interval is going to be 868. That's all. आगे बढ़ते हैं, इस वाले पार्ट को और सॉल्व करते हैं. Calculate the median for the following. So let's now change this table. Now this is a very important question. So let's see. Below 10, सो बिलो 10 का मतलब मैंने यहाँ पर मान लो नंबर ऑफ मार्क्स लिख दिया. डोंट वरी, ये क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ था, मैं भूल गया लिखना एज यूजुअल. नंबर ऑफ मार्क्स एंड दिस इज फ्रीक्वेंसी. So number of marks is what? Below 10. So it comes on from 0 to 10. Frequency is 6. Below 20, that means from 10 to 20. Okay. Now guys, ये जो आपको जो दे के रखा है, this is not frequency. यदि आप ढंग से देखोगे तो ये बढ़ता ही हुआ जा रहा है. 6, 15, 29, 41, 60 and 70. So this technically is what? Cumulative frequency. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी को फ्रीक्वेंसी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे? पहला टर्म सेम, सेकेंड टर्म दिस माइनस दिस, 15 minus 6 comes out as 9. Then comes, that is from 20 to 30. 29 minus 15 is 14. Then 30 to 40. 41 minus 29 is 12. Then 40 to 50, 60 minus 41 comes out as 19. Then the last 50 to 60, and this one comes out as 70 minus 60 comes out as 10. Now what do we have to do with this? And sir ये कैसे आपने कर लिया, ऐसे कैसे किया? यदि जहां पर भी कहीं डाउट होता है, मैथ्स रिवर्सिबल है. सो लेट्स चेक. 6 plus 9, पहला टर्म 6 ही आएगा. यदि आपने मान लो इसका CF निकाला तो देखते हैं CF क्या आता है. 6 का 6 plus 9 15 plus 14 29 plus 12 41 plus 19 is 60 plus 10 is 70. लेट्स चेक ये और ये मैच कर रहे हैं क्या ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन से. 6, 15, 29, 41, 60 and 70. So now you can understand what is the frequency. Now once you have got this particular part, now the calculation becomes much more simple. सबसे पहला वाला काम सिग्मा fi निकालोगे, उसका आंसर लास्ट टर्म के बराबर आना चाहिए, which is the 70. So let's check. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 2 21, 21 plus 9 is 30. It is 0, 3 and 1 4, 5, 6 and 7. 70. Got this? Now once you have got 70, first step is check, no problem. अब 70 का n by 2 निकालोगे. So n by 2 should be equals to 70 by 2 should be equals to 35. So what is the 35 for this part? So 35 कहाँ तक देखोगे? 6 तक ये लोगे, 15 तक ये लोगे, 29th वैल्यू तक ये लोगे, बट 41th वैल्यू तक क्या लोगे आप? That is this part. It's first, second, third and fourth. It's first, second, third and fourth. First, second, third. हाईलाइट कर लेना, एग्जाम के अंदर आपको कभी भी दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. अब फॉर्मूले में पुट करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज m? m का फॉर्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू राइट. वी नो दैट m शुड बी इक्वल्स टू l प्लस h इनटू ब्रैकेट n बाय 2 minus CF whole upon F. What is L over here? So L is the lower class limit, which is 30. So it should be equals to 30 plus what is H? H is 40 minus 30, which is 10 into n by 2. n by 2 कितना लिया था? 35. So it is 35 minus CF. CF is 29. And what is upon F? F is the corresponding frequency, which is 12. So let's do this. तो यह आ जाएगा 30, या साइड में लिख देता हूं. So it will be m should be equals to 30 plus 10 in bracket 35 minus 29 is 6 upon 12. 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 5. So m should be equals to 35. And that's all. You have got the answer as. That's all. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to once again complete the word mode, okay, and will solve certain difficult questions also, which are the HOTS, which will require critical thinking. बीच में से कोई वैल्यू मिसिंग होगी, रैंडम कुछ वैल्यू दे के रखा होगा. So how are we going to solve this? So tomorrow would be the last lecture for statistics, and then we are going to complete this. Okay. So once again, guys, thank you for cooperating and watching this video. If you want to enjoy, guys, take care. Bye bye. See you. Bye.